Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are all fine and doing very well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of bathroom. In this video you will see the very wonderful bathroom decor ideas. I hope that you are gonna love the bathroom designs. These bathroom designs so stunning and classy that after watching this video I hope that you are gonna love all the bathroom design in this video. These are basically for bathroom design and this is the best collection for them, so just like you with the other collection on my channel. And so please, if you're loving these designs, do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so I may bring more useful ideas, more useful videos for you. Thank you for your appreciation and precious videos. So in this video you will see the luxurious bathroom for those people who will love to luxury bathroom ideas. This is our best collection for them. They get many ideas, many designs. I hope that they are going to love this collection and they're gonna find this collection very half of them proved very useful for them. So just keep watching this video while and many more beautiful ideas you will get from my video. Hey guys, these designs are so nice. It will help you to choose your best. You will get ideas from them. So I hope that you are loving these designs. So if you want to watch more collection on different type of decor design, luxury bathroom ideas, modern bathroom ideas, so you can visit my channel and check the other precious collection on my channel, or you can check the playlist section. Also you will find luxurious bathroom ideas. If you want updated by the latest fashion trends, it is just assigning ideas on my channel. It is all about the latest decor ideas, how is the video, how to design. I wish you more collection who want to watch my channel. Do surf fields or messiness report? You tell me all in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Till the next video, see you soon.